Wow. I knew it was bad, but this is a whole other level. Come on, give. Keep it coming slowly now. There she is. Easy does it, almost there. Perfect, she's down. Let's see what we really have here. The chassis number is perfectly clean. This is a genuine tub, all right? She is still alive. This is where it gets really delicate. Decades of soot right in the crease. Let's see what's really underneath here. Look at this dry rot. It's decades of dust, but she is a real Ferrari F40. Let's get this soot off. We will bring her back. It's just going to be a very long night. You can see it pulling the soot right out. This paint has seen better days. There we go, smooth as silk. At least the badge is still perfect. You can hear the difference. Here, it rings nice and clear, but right over here, that dull thud means heat damage. This panel needs a lot of shrinking. No warping here, but the heat stain is real. You see that ripple right there? That's heat warp from years of hard driving. This setup is perfect for drawing out all the impurities. You can see it turning black already as it reacts. That's it, she's finally clear. Now the real work begins. Let's see if these come off easy. There's nothing quite like Italian engineering. Beautiful. Now let's get the other 3 off. But this is me, so this less. Let's check this rear subframe for distortion. There are a couple of suspect weld points here. This engine cradle seems slightly out of line. This F40 is completely bare. Every part is on the shelves. Now we begin the restoration. Perfect. That fits like a glove. This fit up is absolutely perfect. Clean seams make stronger welds. Ah. This skim coat will smooth out the transition. We need it perfectly flat before paint. Now you can't even tell where the original metal ends, and our new chassis section begins. The F40's tube frame is finally complete, structurally sound and ready for bodywork. You can see where the heat has started to get to it. This whole section here is delaminated. This F40 panel is finally ready. We just have to keep the temperature steady. This F40 panel is finally coming together. This reveals every low spot, like that one right there, like that one right there. This F40 panel is finally getting smooth. The dual action sander makes all the difference. We need a perfect surface for that primer. That's the uniform texture we need. Uniform texture we need. This 320 grit really reveals any flaws. It's got to be perfectly flat. Let's keep going. This line has to be absolutely perfect before any paint goes near it. All right, let's lay down this second coat. Keep it steady, make sure to overlap your passes. Copy that, sealing up those repaired sections now. We keep it thin, exactly like the factory did. This is factory Rosso Corsa, exactly as it left the line. We have to wait for the clear coat to flash off. This gap needs to be spot on. This gap needs to be spot on. Perfect. The paint phase is finally complete. Now she is ready for mechanical reassembly. Let's get to work. Let's get to work. Let's take it down slowly. Watch the mounts on this side. Just a fraction more. There we go, locked in. This needs to be perfectly spec'd. That is exactly what we want. These turbos need to be sealed perfectly. These radiators have to be perfectly sealed. We can't afford any leaks on the first fire. Perfect fit, like a glove. All right, let's get these magnesium wheels torqued down. There it is, exactly to factory spec. Now we can finally let her down. Back on the ground for the first time in weeks. The original seat is finally back in. The cabin is finally complete. It looks absolutely perfect now. This is it, the moment we have all been waiting for. The F40 is finally back to its original glory. This fresh clear coat needs to be absolutely perfect. We're removing every trace of orange peel. For tight spots like these, you've got to do it by hand. All right, this F finally ready. This F40 is an absolute masterpiece. Time to show the world. This makes all the difference. A rich satin finish really completes the look. Perfect. All right, let's see how she sounds after the rebuild. That is absolutely perfect. This is where the real work begins. She is finally ready. Incredible. They just don't build them like this anymore.